Climate change has caused a serious decline in Tunisia's freshwater reserves, and there is more and more salt in the water. Our country is suffering water stress. By 2040, we will lose more than 80% of our water sources.
Within 20 years, Tunisia's coastal population, and they make up a high proportion of the total, will only get fresh water by desalination.
There is no water in the Sahara, especially in summer, not enough to wash your hands. There was only salty water in the port of Al Kitef on the Tunisian-Libyan border. Water had to be transported a long way, very expensively, and we had to use every drop. Everybody got 1 bottle of water a day. With the help of Hungary's ambassador to Tunisia, we asked for help from the Tunisian Ministry of Agriculture, Water Resources and Fishing.
With the support of the Water Sector Development Facility Programme of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade, which assists Hungarian companies in the water industry, Hidrowell KFT has developed a containerized seawater desalination plant. The project was implemented by the Hungarian Water Technology Corporation. The Tunisian plant was commissioned in July 2019 and officially inaugurated on the 31st of October.
Adrián Kish, the CEO, who speaks Arabic and French, trained us to operate the plant. We contact him when we need technical assistance.
At the ceremony, the water purified by the Hidrowell container was tasted and said to be better than the best-known bottled water here.
The water comes straight from the sea into the container. Suspended solids, bacteria and viruses are removed by an ultrafilter. The pre-filtered water then passes to the reverse osmosis technology and the salt is separated out.
At the end of the treatment process, the Hidrowell system remineralizes and disinfects the treated water to produce drinking water for the public.
We feed the treated water into the water supply system and any surplus is stored in the reservoir. The Hidrowell system has a daily capacity of 50 cubic meters and provides 500 people with top-quality drinking water made out of seawater.
The novelty in the technology is an energy recovery system that reduces energy consumption to a fraction.
In terms of chemical use and electricity consumption, it is one of the most advanced technologies in the world, and it is affordable. The drinking water is produced where it is used and does not need to be transported. The salt can be extracted and can generate extra revenue within the circular economy.
The use of chemicals is minimal. We only use what is available in the country. The plant could also be run on solar cells.
The system could greatly improve the supply of drinking water and counter the negative effects of climate change.
We can monitor it from thousands of kilometers away. It can also work in a fully automatic mode.
We do the essential maintenance. It's not complicated, everything goes reliably and properly. I am very pleased with the containerized Hidrowell water treatment plant and the successful cooperation with the Hungarian engineers.
Water industry developments like industrial wastewater treatment will be important in the fight against climate change, which is causing increasing problems for the Tunisian economy. If the standard of living here declines and migration increases, this carries serious dangers.
We provide various technological solutions that could help to keep the population in place and make them succeed in their homeland. It takes 4 months to manufacture the plant, transport takes about a month, and it can be commissioned within a couple of days.
100% of the energy needed for the production of the Hidrowell water treatment container comes from solar cells in the Hidrowell plant in Nagy.
We have had very good impressions from our first collaboration with Hidrowell, Hungary and the embassy. We have also met the President of the Hungarian Republic, János Áder. We would like this cooperation to continue.
This equipment could be sold with various capacities in the market in countries where freshwater resources are limited, and the sea is the only alternative solution, by being purified into drinking water.
In line with UN objectives, using the Hidrowell technology, we can provide healthy and clean drinking water for communities and the most vulnerable groups.